What's up, everyone? I hope you're having a great day, and today for a simple Tuesday tech tip, we're going to take a step back and simply get organized. And by this, we're referring to your desktop, with the initial screen where all your shortcuts, applications, and hopefully soon-to-be folders are going to be located. So although this may seem basic, you'd be surprised how often we're working with a customer and it's impossible to navigate their homepage with all the clutter, looking something like this. Messy, right? Luckily, we can help you organize those hundreds of Word documents and countless applications with a few organizational guidelines. Guideline number 1, folders are your friends, and I can't stress this enough. By right-clicking on your desktop in an open space, hovering over New, and clicking Folder, you'll be able to create a new and empty folder that can be named anything. And even better than that, anything can be put in it. So start bundling similar documents and applications into separate folders for a cleaner look. Guideline number 2, subfolders are also your friends. Although the same concept, and I know it sounds like the same thing, but you can create new folders the same way above and drag them into your first or primary folder. Having a few folders within a larger folder can enhance overall organization. Finally, guideline number 3, get rid of old shortcuts and clean up the initial screen. If you use Firefox and Chrome but still have Internet Explorer on your desktop, then simply get rid of it. It will cause less clutter and create a more efficient workstation. It also may clean up a little bit of space as well. And hopefully it'll look something like this. Looks better. So these are just a few guidelines to maximize efficiency and make your technical life and relationship with computers, which we know can be really difficult at times, a little bit easier. If you like this, leave a like and comment below, and we'll see you next Tuesday.